Disabling biometric login on your Regions bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily turn off this feature. Step 1. Open the Regions Bank app. Launch the Regions Bank mobile app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once you are in the app, look for the menu icon, usually located in the upper left or right corner. Tap on it to open the menu, then select Settings. Step 3. Find Biometric Login option. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option related to biometric login, such as biometric authentication or fingerprint login. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Tap on the biometric login option, and you will see a toggle switch or checkbox. Turn it off to disable the biometric login feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can easily disable biometric login on your Regions bank account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.